What's my radio doing on the ground?
What happened? You should have called me to come and pick it up for you.
Who kept my radio on the ground in the first place?
I don't know. It wasn't me.
You don't know? It wasn't you? Maybe I was the one. Or one of the demons that live in this house with us. Who kept my radio on the ground?
I'm sorry.
You are sorry. Sorry for yourself. That's what they will always say. People who are the genesis of people's predicament, they are always very easy to say they are sorry. What gain have I made marrying you, a mistake of a woman? What gain? What gain if not to multiply my sorrow every day? Let me tell you something, Felicia. You will never know peace as long as I am in this condition that you put me in. You will never know peace. I gave you a seed and you gave me a steel bed. And still you are here in my house multiplying my sorrow every day. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight.
Oh God, not again.
You see that God you keep calling? That God will forsake you when it matters most. C'est pas pour.
My husband, let me just help you.
Yamusu. Ramaka.
Come on, up Makana. Up Makana. Come on, leave me now, idiots. Come on, idiots. Come on, leave me, idiot. Idiot. Hey.
Obi, this is food. It's very delicious. Yes.
For the who?
You eat it. Eh? It's very delicious. It's good for you.
Come on, Sheba for now. Nga cooking a flying heading.
Chiwendu, why are you sitting on the floor? Eh? You just took your bath and you're on the floor. No, come. Eh? Come, my daughter. Adam. You know what? Don't worry. Very, very soon, God will bring a very handsome man, rich and educated, to come and marry you. Hmm?
Handsome man?
Mm-hmm.
Busy now.
Don't worry. He will come. Your father and I are strongly behind you.
Okay, please, come. Hurry up, please, come.
Where is he now?
Tim, I'm coming.
Please, hurry up.
I'm coming.
I will carry it now to your head now. Yala. Leave me now, leave me.
Your son has refused to eat. Maybe he wants you to feed him
Not
yourself.
eat.
Obi, your mother is here.
Let me feed.
My mother is here. My mother is here.
Your mother. Your mother.
I will not eat. I will not eat.
It's delicious.
Oh, you didn't know. Obi, Naya. Obi. Please.
It's your mother. Your mother.
Please eat something. Come on.
Tell me, please.
Please.
Say please.
Please. Come. Come on. Obi. Mama. Mom, Mom.
Outside.
Don't be shy.
Outside. Say please. Say please, man. Outside.
Please.
Oh?
Obi. Come on.
Outside.
Don't be shy.
Okay.
Dim, please give me a chair to sit down.
Chair.
Let him find a chair. Obi.
Come on.
Obi.
Eat. Food. It's food.
You want to put it poison?
No.
Wicked man. Look at your eye like pussy.
It's your father. I'm your father. I can't poison you. I cannot possibly poison you. You're my son.
Obi.
It's not eating since. It's your mother that cooked it specially for you. She told me it's for you.
Why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you doing this to us? Look, for the fact you lost your job does not mean we cannot survive. We have so many farmlands in this village. We can survive from them. Because
I'm not a former bank manager and I'm in a farmland.
Okay. So far there is life. There is hope. Bikonu, stop doing this. You are hurting me. You want to kill me before my time. Biko. Okay. Why not use all this time you're using to drink to search for our missing son? Why not use the time to search for him? You don't even care if he's fine or not. Or the man.
Our son is gone. The boy is gone. I have searched the much I can. How about your faith that was a murder? What else can I do?
Hey!
Get it on, sir.
Clean your mouth. I said you should clean your mouth. Hey! Your son Efugo, I reject it. It shall never be well with them. You know what we suffered. You know what it took me to give birth to that boy. Only I. Our only son, only child, everything.
And here you are telling me, Ofugo, I should forget about him. Look, I give you just 3 days to prepare yourself as a full grown-up man. You go out there and look for our son. Else, I will make this house uncomfortable for you. You will be the one to be doing all the chores in this house that my son's supposed to be doing.
Ah.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Yeah, man. That they disturb one, okay, but by the way, because whatever my breakfast or lunch, whatever is ready, but here.
Wash your hands.
Is this not the same soup I've been eating for 3 days now?
No, it is.
It is?
Yes, but this is the last of it.
And it's why I should eat the last of it? I don't understand. So you have now reduced me to a baby who must eat whatever thing they serve? A baby who has no say? Why must I be eating the same soup for 1 week? Why?
No, it's not up to 1 week. It's just 3 days, but I will make a fresh one today.
Listen, my name is Jidofo, a man of this land who is already an adult. Andra Mwake Bedanka, there is no way you will ever force me to start learning how to use my left hand at old age. If this is what your plan is, if this is what you have reduced me to, a baby who has no say, because of the condition you put me, I am telling you that it will not work. If you know what is good for you, take this out of my face.
No, I manage. I will rush to the market and buy things and make another
I
one.
refuse to manage nonsense. Can't this is about I'm
sorry.
I should be eating the same soup for 1 week.
So it's not up to 1 week, nine. Just 3 days.
I'm a lazy. Same people can live off man and what I'm. Nonsense. Somebody is in this condition, I will not also eat good food. Is that not going to hell already? Today is another day God has made to bless us, and I know it is going to be well for us.
Bam. You know, you're the only accountant that is recognized both at home and abroad. Oh, DKK.
Ah, you are a good man. What can I offer you, please? You know, this woman that I am living with has gone to the market, but I can do something by myself.
Yeah? Don't worry yourself. I'm okay with that.
Unfortunately, I don't have hot drink at home. But I know you are not in a hurry. You will stay back and wait. My wife will soon come back, and then I will send her to go across the road and buy a bottle of hot drink from this boy that is selling hot drink across the road. Try one.
I trust you.
Yes,
I trust you. You know, that is why I always talk about you. Even at town hall meeting last week, I spoke about you.
You did?
I spoke about you. Yeah, you know, in that place there are a lot of hypocrites. Claiming to be a born-again Christian, and therefore cannot swear by Ukuku. He doesn't know what happened to my son.
I don't actually know why you are bothering yourself with a character like Zogu. I don't see him as one of the people that are born again. We know the born again people. So he's not one of them at all.
I know personally, that Nzogo, with his bag of medicine, he knows about the sudden disappearance of my son.
Hey, my good friend, let me just understand this. Are you telling me that since that time, you have not heard anything about your son?
Huh? But I will surprise them. I will surprise them. Meanwhile, I was telling them the other day that during your time as the Secretary General of the Union, you were the best.
Oh,
you were the best.
I know you will say that. My man, my friend. You know, good friends like you, positive friends like you are the reason I'm still alive.
Oh.
Left with only this thing I'm living with. Oh my God, Felicia, I to my account. She would have killed me a long time ago. I was jolly out.
Yeah. Man, women will always be women. That is why I don't give them any chance at all. I'm no man on your shoes. I would have sold all her wrappers and judges that I bought to show that ill luck is reflecting in her.
But listen. Felicia is just a bundle of bad luck. She has killed me, but I'm telling you, I've told her. I keep telling her that I'm Mujaka. One day I will set her place. Just keep fuel by the corner like this. I will just pour the fuel and throw matches.
Meanwhile, let me go across the street and go and bring that drink from that boy. Madam Natasha, she can settle them.
Can you do it?
I'm
not being here. I didn't want it to appear as if I'm sending my friend on an errand. I don't want to insult anybody. No, but if you can do it, just go ahead. Just tell him that he should give us one bottle. He knows what I drink. When my wife comes, she will come and pay. We are there.
I don't want you to resign to fate. In no distant time, everything will be alright. Okay? I understand how you feel, but it won't be long, everything will be resolved.
Did you say you understand how I feel? Did you say that? Oh, you don't know how I feel. You don't know how I feel one bit. Tell me, when will everything be alright? Eh? How can one just wake up one morning and find our 2 children going mad? And you are here telling me everything will be alright? Tell me, how many healers have you not brought? How many herbal men have you not brought yet? Nothing is happening. Let me be. Let me be because you don't know how I feel.
I don't want you to break down as such. I am going deeper to find out who is behind all this. I must find out in no distant time. Trust me. I know that whoever that has done this has done much to try me. But nobody does that. Nobody tries me. You are acting as if you don't know who I am.
Dim, did you say nobody does that? I mean, as in nobody tries you. Did you just say that? But they have tried you. Have they not? They have. I've tried you. Do something now.
It's okay. Like I said, I am going deeper. I will not rest until something is done. And I must fish out whoever that is behind this calamity in my house. I must fish out. And I will pay that person dearly. I will pay whoever that is responsible for my calamity, for my pains. I will give that person trouble pains. Trouble.
Who did I offend? When you come Cholo, look at Chiwendo. Chiwendo, who is supposed to be married. Look at her. Look at Obinaya. Can you see that? You see? Obinaya is mad.
Mama, boy.
Ha! Can't do it.
We are fine, oh, thank God. How is market?
Market is fine, though. Is Felicia in the market? No, she's in the house. She's in the house. Okay. Tell Felicia, she's owing me. She don't want to come to the market again. Just tell her to come and bring my money. If you did not bring my money, I will come to the house. What I will do to her, she will not like it. I will not even mind whether the husband is have condition or not. I don't do care. Because this thing I'm telling, I bought it with money.
Please, it has not got into that. Maybe she has forgotten. But if I get to the house, I will remind her. No?
Oh,
Because, onions, this one now, how much?
This one is 200.
What about this one?
That one is 500.
I thank God I have someone like you as a friend and sister. If not, how on earth am I supposed to face my husband today?
Come on, it's nothing. We all need help someday. Moreover, your husband understands everything is now on you. So you will understand.
Upe, Jidofo, I wish it was like that. Jidofo is so embittered with everything. No matter what I do, he is very displeased. Even the ones I have not done, he displeases.
You shouldn't give up on him. Yes, let him. Maybe his present condition is taking a part of his mind. You know, disability affects the mind. You should know that.
Where? I know. That is why I'm taking it in my stride. But he is blaming me for everything, including his condition. I don't know what else to do. Well, forgive me. You know, I even forgot to ask after my children. How are they? Especially Obi. Is he improving?
My dear sister, we are still managing him.
Oh.
All the healers we brought to heal him, none has been able to do so. But we are still hopeful. As for my daughter Chinwe, she is still the way she was. Can we question God?
No, we can't. I salute your courage and pure heart. Thank you. Thank you once again for everything. Thank you.
So
oh?
It is well.
Let's go.
Hey, Uro believer. I trust the boy when it comes to no, I trust the boy, but he knows you cannot serve nonsense to the man across the road.
A woman who constantly brings her husband bad luck.
Very true. You don't need to say it as if you are hiding your mouth. You need the microphone to say it so that everybody will hear you. Wish.
There is something I learned from my father when he was alive. Look how they take for rubbish from any woman. On your sokuyabolo, even his own wife. And I learned that same thing from him.
Ha! Your father was a strong man. Who doesn't know your father? Eh? Where you can I want and he did. You took after him.
Any man that becomes a weakling in the name of love, okay,
why are you saying so many nice things today? Eh? This thing you just said now, I hope we're supposed to be speaking on the radio so that everybody will be hearing what you're saying. Eh? You are vibrating very well today. Get prepared.
I can never allow a woman to behave like that towards me. Send her back into her father.
Why are you saying so many nice things today, Akalusia? You actually came prepared though. Drink. If you put all the money, you put the money. Hey, my good friend, I like your company. I so much admire your company. When a man is talking, you are seeing a man talking. Hey, not all these people, you see a man talking and you think it's a woman, and you just get confused. I don't understand. Hey, but I forgot to ask you an important thing. How is your wife? I hope she's okay.
She is there. I sent her to the farm. Since she has refused to give me another child, I just come
Come on and go now. Mara Georgia. Hey, I can't say. Can I tell you?
Nah, this is not right, no. It is not right. How can you and your friend go and buy drinks on credit and you're expecting me to pay? When you know how we have been surviving in this house.
Hey, woman, you don't have to raise your voice while talking to me. This place is still my house. In fact, I own you. You shouldn't be asking me questions.
I am not asking you questions. But you should know that the load is too much on me. Okay, where do you expect me to get money to pay?
You should have asked yourself that question before you pushed me into this condition.
Why are you always blaming me for your condition? Okay, how did I cause it?
Maybe you have to go back to your wishes coven and ask those birds that are flying there how you caused it. What have I gained knowing you? Since you got involved in my life, what have I gained if not sorrow? Listen, as far as I am on this wheelchair, you will know no peace. Drinking is the only thing that makes me happy, and you are telling me now that I should not be drinking. You better go and find money and pay that boy before I
don't have money to pay.
What?
I don't have money to pay. Maybe next time before you drink, you ask me if I have money. There's no money.
You don't have money to pay?
I don't.
Okay. I'm going to handle it myself. But let me tell you something. But if you are thinking you will stop me from drinking, you are making a big, very big fool of yourself. See me, Robo. Anyamusu. Felicia!
Wait, and where are you going?
Must I tell you where I'm going to before I find something to
Yeah. You want to go and find something to do, or you're going to drink as usual? Eh? Ordinary firewood I carried all the way from Umurisi forest. You cannot break them. Aka Lucia. Yet you will go out. You will come back here and eat my food. Oya, go inside now. Just go back inside.
No. I am your husband. I'm not a houseboy.
Hey, Nkem, sorry. Pardon my manner. I forgot. I forgot you are my husband. Hey, yeah. Obim. Hey, please, I need some money. I want to go to the market and buy some things. Oh? Why are you silent? Idagobi. I said I need some money to go to the market. Hey, let me help myself. Are you pushing me?
Listen, if you want me to do anything for you, no problem. I'll do it quickly.
Yeah. Buju, if you want me to do anything for you, I will do it and quietly go out. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Shameless he-goat. You don't want to talk about money. Akalusia, go inside now. Pack all your farm tools. We are going to the farm right away.
No. You are going to the farm. And I'm at town union. We have town union meeting today. So you go.
Town union meeting. And after the town union meeting, you will still come back here to eat my food. Akalusia, in count of 3, just go in there. Pack your farm tools. We're going to the farm. Else, I will push you inside. I will tie you. I will lock you inside this house for 1 week. There will be no food for you. Not even water. In count of 3, Akalusia. Ofu, 1. Akalusia. 2. Akalusia, are you still there? Are you still there, Akalusia? Akalusia, 3. Okay. Oh yeah. Alele. Inside of Puruke, Akalusia. Oh! I beg you go. Which one? I beg, move it. In a very big boy, Nigerian 1 naira. So bad, you think you are still a bank at this village? Get inside. Look at him.
Someone harvested our palm fruits. I said, let me come and report to you before going to the village vigilante people. That person must be fished out.
Felicia, there will be no need for that.
Why? Nai, I don't think you heard me.
I heard you. I'm not deaf. I heard it from the very first time. I heard everything you said. But I'm telling you, no need for you to go and disturb the man in the vigilante office over what happened in the farm, because I was the one who ordered that the trees should be harvested.
You did?
Yes.
Thank God though. I thought they stole our palm fruits. Thank God.
Thank God for goodness. I don't understand.
At least they didn't steal it. Now, where is the money?
Which money?
The money you realized from the sale of the palm fruits.
Is that why you are thanking God?
Yes, no. At least the money is with us. Give me 9, and then I'm like that. I have so many bills to offset. You know, we've been buying food stuff on credit. I was hoping on paying everything off when I collect that money. Now that you have collected it, you
have debts. Who gave you the permission to go and buy things on credit in the first place? No, who gave it? Who permitted it?
No, I mean things we ate.
You and who? Ate what?
No, I don't understand this whole thing.
You don't understand this whole thing?
No.
I will break it down for you to understand. The farm we are talking about is my farm. All the trees you have gone to harvest, I planted all of them before I married you. So I don't understand why you are making your plans based on another man's property. Where is that coming from? If you have indebted yourself with whatever, better go and find a way to solve your problem. Why are you linking them to my farm? Your debt has nothing to do with me. What is because you have a body doing that. My very good friend, my brother from another mother. You're welcome. Oh, yeah, they get a mom. Felicia! Felicia!
Oh, yeah.
Please bring one chair for my friend Akalusia. Akalusia should not be kept standing.
Okay, where was he?
Good night, I'm going to be. Oh, good. You're always looking very strong. You're welcome. You wait for him. As you can see, we have become two now. So that's food that you are preparing. I want you to accommodate Akalusia and my very good friend. Yeah? So that we go.
Can I tell you something?
Don't speak anything into my ears for me only. Speak it. Akalusia is his family. He has the right to hear everything.
No, the food that is remaining is very little. I will not even eat so that it will be enough for you.
Felicia, why are you so selfish? Why are you like this? Just to prepare food for my friend and myself, you are finding it very difficult. Why are you selfish? It's selfishness, is it not?
You know, I've always told you, the women will always be women. Because
women will always be women, but why must, what offense did I commit? Why must my she, of all the women in this world, settle me with this one? Who will not have woman sympathy for my friends?
Walk out. Because, calm down. You know, like I usually say, don't allow the actions of a woman to upset you.
Felicia, when a woman who is so evil is very close to the Odogwu, Odogwu will no longer be Odogwu. And that is what I am facing now. But are you couldn't hear in Naguarago?
You know, in you lies my happiness. Look, I just wish I could make you understand how I feel about you. It's deeper than I can explain.
But I don't really know you, except that you're from Umuago.
Look, you have been seeing me severally already. I'm just a simple guy that is deeply in love with you. Okay, look, listen. I see a bright future with you. Stop having this thought that there's something hidden about me.
But there's always something more. Like my mother would say, everything is not always as it seems.
Yes, I agree with you. You know, the words of our parents, they are so powerful and we need to hold them because it guides us in making the right choices. But have you ever thought of it this way? If you don't, give it a try, how would you know if it's the right choice. Look, I'm not asking for too much. Okay? All I'm asking for is just a chance. One chance to love you forever. That is all.
Felicia!
Nine.
I don't know. Are you not supposed to give me the pocket with which I urinate?
Eh?
Go and get me my pocket. I want to urinate and I can't find the pocket.
Oh, okay. I'm coming.
Felicia! No. Felicia, is that you?
Yes.
Come. I'm here.
Oh.
Have you disposed of the urine?
No, I went to fetch water.
You went to fetch water? Which one is more important? The urine since last night, you have not disposed of it. You went to fetch water. What are you encouraging? You want jam to spread in this house? You got me crippled. And then the only way you can compensate me is to increase the quantity of jams in this house. Urine since last night, you have not poured it away. You went to fetch water.
I will do it now.
You're just claiming that work is too much. I don't know what you are working. Only me. You cannot take care of me. There are people that are taking care of like 20 sick people and they are not complaining. They are looking very happy. Taking care of only me. The husband, and she will never smile. She will never wear a smiling look. Just wearing face as if you have done something that nobody has done before.
Come here, come here, sister. Come here, an idiot. Come and remove my zip now. Let me do small. Come and remove this zip. Oh, I will carry this thing now and flog your head.
Open.
Come and remove this thing.
Calm down.
Open her leg, Diana. Open her leg.
Obi.
Oh, I'm asking Mobi. Open that thing.
Calm down. I don't want you to enjoy yourself. Hey, I don't want you to enjoy yourself. I don't have anyone. Hey,
get out here.
Obi.
Get out here.
Obi, please.
Idiot.
Let me help. Hey.
Idiot.
Hey.
Come on.
Hey.
Ow.
Hey.
Oh. Idiot. Oh yeah, open it. Let me. Is it not small? Did I complete it? Small. Oh. Open this thing. Hold him. Don't you understand something? Hold him.
Hey.
Come.
The mama.
Come.
Hey.
Go fast. Quick. Aha! It's with you, right? Quickly.
It's okay.
It's very small.
Are you mad?
No.
The mama.
You are mad?
No.
Please.
Calm down now. Calm down.
Open small. Open small.
Are you mad?
No.
You're mad.
No, no, I cannot be mad now.
We need to try another healer.
Huh?
Obinaya cannot continue like this.
You are right. It breaks my heart to see my children like this. It is even more heartbreaking to see that I couldn't find a possible helper to help me. I am ready to pay just any amount to whoever that would help. Just look at the hopelessness of mankind in my children.
It's okay. The mama, you are not a failure until you quit. No matter how many times we have tried and failed, we need to keep trying until we all are whole again. We are in this with them. I hope you know that.
You're mad.
I cannot be mad now. It's not small.
Small.
Small. Small. Small.
This madness is not for you, Mazemeka.
Great healer of Umos.
The healing process is huge. But then, it is not impossible.
Great healer. I am prepared to bear any cost as long as they are going to be made whole again. Yes. We can do anything.
Your son was never destined to be a madman in his lifetime. But as for the lady, there can always be a corrective measure. I will prepare him a very strong concussion that will return back his sanity, while I prepared myself for the strong spirit of madness inside of him.
A great one.
There are 7 of them.
7. Oh, great one. Like I said, we can bear any cost. You came well recommended, so we are all out to do anything as long as they are okay.
Anything.
We can.
I will need the feces of a virgin crocodile, the first egg of a peacock, the blood of an all-black eagle, and the head of a week-old tortoise. If you can get all of these items, bring them to me. And give me just 3 days. I will return back with your healing concussion.
Great healer. I am just a mere village chief. I can't boast of knowing it all. Neither will I be ashamed to acknowledge the same. We do not know how to go about the items you mentioned, but you can help us.
With 150,000 naira, my servant can afford to get you all of the items. Can you bear the cost?
On the affirmative, great one. On the affirmative, we can.
So be it then. So I live in peace.
Thank you, great one. Receive it.
Thank you.
That is how they chant, and they rant like dogs. That is how they chant and rant like dogs. Yes. Obina, do not hurt your sister.
My husband, how are we going to raise that money? It's almost impossible.
Okay. Where there is a well, there is a will. I cannot afford to keep that land when my son is raving mad and his sister is physically incapacitated. I will sell that land immediately.
The only land you have left. The mama, why not approach some cabinet chiefs for help?
I will approach them to purchase the land and not to beg for money. It is better to appeal to people's interest than their mercy. Oh, my son's sanity and that of his sister is more valuable than the land. You should understand that.
Thank you very much, my husband. You are my crown.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I can do anything to make sure they are all we have. If they are gone, we are gone as well. So if it means to sell the land and in this house, I can sell. We can stay in the bush. We can stay to anywhere. We can even be a tenant to anybody, as long as they are okay.
I agree with you.
Do not worry. I said I am working deeper to make sure that there is something we must do.
Tell me what you want me to do for you, and I will do it. See, Felicia, you know I love you. I really want to settle down with you before I travel out.
So, because you want to travel out, you want to settle down. So, what then happens to the girl?
Definitely, I'll come and pick you.
I'm not the girl, though. I'm just asking on her behalf. Well, you're a cool guy, Chike, but I still need time to think it through.
This same answer you keep giving me for so long. Or are you seeing someone already?
No, I'm not seeing anyone. But I still need time to think it.
Well, I hope to wait patiently, but not forever.
Okay.
So when am I seeing you again?
I'll see you when I see you.
Alright, if you say so. I'll be on my way now.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye. Take care of yourself.
I will. Bye.
Bye.
Beautiful one.
Jidofo, where did you crawl out from?
No, I was actually on my way to your house before I saw you discussing with him.
So you've been eavesdropping, Abby?
No.
Aya, tell me, what did you hear?
Felicia, okay, tell me the truth. Is he the one you have chosen?
Nigerians, you're answering my question with a question. Well, he is also asking me out. That's all you should know.
Felicia, why are you doing this to me? Why?
What am I doing to you, Bikokwa? Please, my mother is waiting for me. I need to go.
Felicia, wait. Felicia, you know I love you. You know that.
Jide, bye-bye.
Felicia.
Hi.
Hey! I don't want to invite neighbors, so let me have my money for the last time. Let me have my money. Butu ogene, anime ebuni. Let me have my money. I say butu. Butu where? Come what? Give me my money.
This shouting will not change anything. I use the money for something very important. But you know,
something very important.
I will replace it. Just give me some time.
So you will replace it from where? Eh?
There's this little contract mess somewhere. By the time, not much, a few millions come in. More than you want.
Hey! Ago, I did a business. Few millions will come and I will pay you. Can you boast of 1,000 naira? You did business, few millions, and you're still like this. Is it because you still have opportunity of wearing all these plain trousers you used when you were working in bank? Oh yeah, Aka Lucia, give me my money. Let me have my money, Aka Lucia. Calm
down.
Aka Lucia, give me my money.
If you tear the trouser, it won't happen today. I said give me some.
Aka Lucia, I will naked you. Aka Lucia, I will strip you naked. You see all this, the cap, the clothes, and this trouser. I will sell them, at least I can get half of my money. See, I'm going inside. By the time I come out in the next 5 minutes, make sure you have my money. Aka Lucia, make sure you have my money. I said 5 minutes, so I said 5 minutes, Aka Lucia. Aka Lucia, provide my money. Hey! Oh!
After pushing me, now, 5 minutes. No, I won't go this is good for a brother. You should help my soul.
Hi.
Don't touch me. I can help myself.
Let me.
If you touch me, I am going to curse you. And I mean it.
Curse me. Curse me. Curse me. Get up. Curse me. There's no way I can watch this. Pico, come.
Una, what are you trying to do? To convince me that you are a good person? Felicia, you are evil. And I know how evil you are. I know disappointed that I'm still alive. Of course, you want me to die. You pray every day for me to die. But let me tell you something. I am going to outlive you. You will die before me. Will you bet? Bet now.
No matter what you do to me, no matter what you say to me, you cannot make me become who I'm not.
And you may tell that to people who do not know you. I know you inside out, Felicia. You are a wolf in sheep's clothing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Listen to me, I don't blame you. I blame myself for passing through the eye of a needle to marry a witch like you. What have I gained? It's your witchcraft that put me in this condition. I want to help you. I want to help you. It's about poor Biko. Listen, I fell down by mistake and I'm going to get up on my own.
Otoka, let me just let
you like it?
Yes. Okay. I went to Ichie Obunabali's house earlier this evening. As regards our plans to sell the land.
Okay. Ichie Obunabali of all people.
Of course. He's the only one that has declared interest to buy the land immediately. As a matter of fact, he agreed to pay tomorrow.
How? My crown. May God bless you for wiping away our tears.
And bless you too. You see, Obina is our only son. Nothing is too big for him. I want to thank you too for your usual support and understanding.
And may God continually bless you and keep you for me.
And you too. Let's eat and quickly retire to the house. A mosquito already sitting in. Hey, come on, but The food is somehow sumptuous.
Will you still go to see the healer?
I will see the healer tomorrow, lest I forget. So, tomorrow, first thing.
My God will guide you.
And you too.
And bring you back safely.
Akalosia, my very good friend. I must have to thank you for always finding time to come and visit me. As it is, you remain the only one who visits me these days. And I am very grateful.
No, what are friends for? Jida for work. You know, you're a man I respect so much. You're not like Umafano that are hypocrites in this village.
I thank you for saying that. Akalosia, the great son of Obuefu Kadike.
You know, it's not because you're around. Each time I talk about you, I speak with pride when I have to say something.
You don't need to tell me. I don't doubt you at all. Because the truth will always stand out.
In this village, there are very few men that are actually the heads of their homes. You, Jidofo, you're number one. Moaba Kanosia, number two. But concerning the group of Afwan, they are controlled by them.
Give all those women.
Qualified.
Women who wear the bodies of men. We know them. We know them very well. And that reminds me, my good friend, don't you think the time is ripe for you to search for your son again?
Jidofo, I don't have a son anymore.
Why would you say that?
I'm giving up on that angle. Man, I don't like things bothering me in this life. Okay, for a if my son were still alive, he would have come back home now. I go where you are. He will be driven back home. I'm probably fine.
Yes, I agree with you, but I am thinking that you will still have to search for your son again.
I will search for my son.
My dear husband, the mama, how long are we going to live this way? If you're not tired, I am. You were not like this, so you started exhibiting this your attitude after your accident. Huh?
What did you just call it? My accident. Who caused it? Is it my enemy? You? How in this world will I be living in peace with my enemy? How?
My husband, I am not your enemy. Neither did I cause anything.
Do you know what, Felicia? I came out here this morning to take morning sun. I don't want disturbances. If you have nothing reasonable to say, just go and cook something for me to eat. See about what?
Well, there's this great healer your brother's wife told me about. According to her, he is coming to their house to heal their children of their ailments. So I was thinking if he can come in here too to treat you. Let him heal you. Let us change hands. Let's try another healer.
And I want to believe this healer will be able to raise your parents from the dead, right?
Jidolfo.
Don't ever call my name like that again. As if you're the one that gave me the name. How dare you call me Jidolfo?
I will not have you insult my parents now.
I will insult them for all I want. How dare you come here this morning to remind me of what I've already forgotten? You're very stupid. Biko, Siebapo.
What is this? What is even wrong with you, Oginidu? I've had enough of this nonsense. Oginitinka, I was only trying to suggest something to you. For what? If you don't want my advice, you leave it. Why are you even allowing bitterness becloud you? Ogini!
Hey, look at the way she's talking. Somebody hearing you from the next compound now will just say that a human being is talking. Look at you. Do you know what? I know you very well, inside out. You are a wolf in sheep's clothing. I've been telling you that. I am not surprised anymore. I used to be surprised with all this nonsense. I'm not surprised anymore. Because even in the enjoy all the bad things, you have them in double portion.
Well, you can be as surprised as you want to be. I don't care anymore. How long will I keep allowing you blame me for something I know nothing about? Yeah. You started doing this thing even when I was still under the pains of the stillbirth. Why?
Well, coming from a witch who deliberately ate up my child and still call it stillbirth. Should I be surprised? I'm not surprised.
If you were man enough, you should have impregnated me again. But you are a weakling.
God in heaven knows I have impregnated you countless times. But because you are not woman enough, you are not able to take it. Eh? Eh? I'm not blaming you. I'm blaming my she. Of all the women in this world, he didn't give me any other one. But a demon like you. People watcher. So what that's the problem.
Hand me the key. Today, Obi, I free you from the 7 spirits of madness. This body is no longer a home for you, veiled spirits. Free him now!
Are you okay? You're fine.
Hey. Should I assist you? Should I assist?
Ah! Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Stay with Chinwe. Hila! Obinna!
Stay here.
Hila!
Naya! Where are you going to?
Obi is going. Obi is going.
Obi will come. Obi, bring him back. Obi Naya.
Wait, let me catch him.
Come back.
Oh,
let's go.
Obi is going.
Come.
Oh, Obi is going. Obi, come. Obi is going.
Don't push your mother down, please.
Obi ran away. He ran away. Obi is going.
Jesus!
Matagiana!
Hila! Obi! Hila! Hila! Hey! Hila! Hila! Obi! Obinna! Obi! Hila! Obi!
Has he gotten to this? Hello. Him. Okay.
What has happened? I tried my best to get hold of him. My strength failed me.
Hey!
By the time I got to Agos Junction, I lost sight of them. Why I came here is to let you know what is happening. I want to go to the youth leader. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Let me go to the youth leader so that he will assemble some youths in search of him. Quickly, please, take care of the house. Let me.
Hey! So it has gotten to the extent of my son leaving the house. His madness has gotten to this extent. Ken, Dimoma, let me see if I can see him. You never can tell. I might see him. But Chiwend.
Hello? Okay, you need to call us back. Okay, you were saying something?
Okay, so I was talking about, I said she was
Good morning.
way higher than me in plan. So then we presume that she
I'm
had
greeting you.
better
Good morning, sir.
And so we thought it's really her.
Should
So by
I
the time
bring your
I was
breakfast?
already done with secondary school. I was expecting her to be maybe in third year at that point.
Let me go and bring
when
food
they go
for
to
you.
school, they come back for holiday and all that.
Please, come back here.
So but along the line, we got to find out that
What are you saying?
got to find out was that she didn't
I want to bring
showing
your breakfast.
symptoms of mental disorder.
Did I ask you for breakfast? I didn't ask for breakfast. Please, I want you to maintain your lane and leave me alone. I just came out this morning on my own. Did I call for your help? I didn't. Because I don't need your help. I don't need your food. If you bring any food, I will pour that food on your face. You want to bet me on that? This is even mad. See about one? Eh? When I will begin to look for another wife.
Brother Jidofo, I have heard what you said. Honestly, I was deeply touched the way your wife came to me crying. Ordinarily, I'm not supposed to be here because everyone in this village understands my predicament, but all the same, I decided to come. I am urging you, please. I don't want you to resort to another step that will add to the problem you have already. Bitterness and anger cannot give way for peace to reign. Because, Felicia, it is very wrong to make things difficult for a man who is already down. It's quite wrong. On this note, I want you to apologize to your husband. Osiso.
I'm very sorry.
Jidofo, please, I don't want you to create room for ears around to begin to hear what has happened. Let it be between us. And I want you to solve this matter amicably within yourselves. Eh? So she has apologized. You know, going to treat her well. Because
if this is why you are here, I have heard you.
Oh, thank you very much.
I heard you loud and clear, and I believe I know where you are coming from. Can I go in now?
Of course. Please, Felicia, help me.
No, thank you, sir.
Please let her assist.
Let me do some more. Campeto. Woo!
Those that can be happy. Be happy.
Giraffe, such a thing can never happen under my roof. Cha-cha. But wait, why would your brother, your younger brother for that matter, advise such? Eh?
They bought him.
Anyway.
They bought my brother.
I've always known him as a weakling.
Yeah. They bought my brother with my mother.
Sure.
And he came to say what he was asked to say. Dara. Listen, this matter has an end. They have not seen the end yet. I am the person who knows the end of this matter. When I decide, I will open it. Dara.
And I will stand by you. I will always stand by.
I know. I know. That's why I always struggle to give you something once you are here.
Hey.
I know.
I'm okay.
Yes, you will always stand by me.
And if I will advise, concerning Felicia, you should go on a hunger strike.
What is hunger strike?
Cha. Hunger strike. By the time that happens, Felicia will run back to her father's house. Oh God, that will not be giving you problems. Not that.
Are you sure this will work?
It works like magic. The last time my wife was misbehaving, I threatened her with that hunger strike. Now you're pico.
How come I've not been thinking about this?
Because women require an iron hand at the end of the day. Initiate this hunger strike and see what will happen.
This one now that I'm marrying, this one is already iron. Felicia, don't
worry. Why on that, Angela? Calm down. By the time you start the hunger strike, I'm not sure to go out. I'm
combine the iron nab. Iron nab. We go Felicia and Felicia don't wear iron.
I'm here. Sorry.
Yes.
I was eating.
No problem.
Welcome.
I have just come back from where I went to see another seer. We had a very long conversation. I'm sorry for what I'm about to tell you. But according to the seer, our son is dead. Dente, I found this difficult to believe. Mana, I asked him again, I said, our son is dead. That there's no point continuing to search for him. So we're Junior, what is the solution? Say we should stop bothering about searching. Rather, we should try to so we can have a second child. So I said, let me tell you what this year said.
Hey! Hey!
Hey, what happened?
Hey! Chai! Hey! What was I thinking? Hey! I forgot. I forgot to tell you that I visited my own seer 2 days ago.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And he told me that our son is still alive. That he's in the city. And he has been crying day and night for us to come and look for him. Yes. And he warned me. Yes, I remember. He warned me never to do it with you. Yes, that he would just die there. I forgot. Oh, what was I thinking? Oh.
Hey.
Hey.
What kind of a seer is that? What is he saying? What is he seeing?
Ojigi. Hi. You have to tie it rope. Oh. Or do you now finally want our son to die? Like my seer said. We can tie it to rope. Then I can help you to drag the rope from your back to your neck so that it will stay one place. Until we will see our son. Oh, even me, Ojikwam somehow. But I have to control it now because of what my seer said. Let me get your food. But before then, at least sometimes I will still show you love. Despite your jobless. Oh yeah, we're in car.
I'm saying something important.
Hey, whoa. Hey, yeah. Woo! Connie man die. Connie man bury him. You think you have sense? Come and enter.
Felicia! Felicia! Oh, yeah? Oh, Mama Bobo. Felicia, good morning. Morning, my sister. I'm here to collect my balance.
Mama Bomboy, Biko, don't be annoyed with me. Don't be angry that I have not come to your house since then.
Don't worry. Forget that. It's not important. I'm here now. Just go in and bring my money. I want to go to the market. And I'm late. I want to go.
Oni, can I bring the money to your house this evening? I don't have it now.
That is not possible. It's not possible at all. Just give me the money now. Now. I need it now, here.
I must bring it today. Biko. This evening, I'll bring it.
Don't worry. I'm going with the barrow. If you bring the money, I'll release the barrow. But if you don't bring the money, today, I will sell it. Trust me. You know what I can do. Bring it today, oh. Today.
Are you not going to come back here and tell me what is going on outside there? What's happening there?
Oh, Mama Bobo has said it.
Oh, no. You can't. Huh? I've never been this broke. Not even a woman who's ever mad and we're wrong. This is not nice. It's not nice at all.
Aka Lucia. You are here. Huh? Hey, yeah. You are not drinking today. This one you're with Stone. You want to keep bed? See, I'm going to the market to sell this plantain. Remember the firewood I showed you at the backyard? It's supposed to be your son's duty. But since you don't have the strength, you are too weak to go out and look for him. You have to be doing all those work for him, So the firewood, you have to break them. Break them properly and pack them for me. Oh, I hope you heard me.
I've heard you.
Go. I'm going. Take it easy. Oh, I get them before, you know the property. Former bank manager. Get I was a village man that cannot even look for his own son. Like this, once you die now, your family will close. And I will go back to my father's house. Let me not meet them that way.
No. Now, what sort of life is this? Huh? I don't know the nonsense that they have. Look at me. Eh? Donald Chukwuemeko Keke, former bank manager, now reduced to nothing in this village. Eh? Did I make a mistake by marrying this wicked woman? Eh? Kai, bamba. Life is just very unfair to me, man. No. I have to do something about this. Honestly. Now, man, come on, mother, just something. I get in your name, but they go. No. Yeah? This insult is too much. This insult is too much. Abba.
You are still down here as if nothing happened. I don't want to talk to you. Moving around, insulting the image of this family. Collecting things on credit everywhere. Listen, I am giving you until the end of today. If you fail to return that wheelbarrow, where will we be? Just left with my wheelbarrow and you're not doing anything about it. Look at how we are relaxed. She didn't even move. Can you never accuse that? Go look for the wheelbarrow and bring it back. I don't want to get angry, please.
Thank you. Thank you. High five. My rice is done. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Baba. Hey.
Okay. I want to encourage you. I know life is not treating us well, but it will not continue like this. I don't want you to be in tears and in pains all the time. Our son will come back here. You don't have to worry about him. I'm trying all means to make sure that he returns to this house. So, you see, everything is good is coming to our house. So you don't have to cry. Wipe your tears, yeah?
Okay.
I'm not relenting. So, I don't want you. You develop blood pressure, high one, and it's not too good for us.
Okay.
I'm hearing you.
If I tell you that I am not tired of this whole thing, I'll be lying to you.
I know.
I am confused. I am devastated. I mean, it's heartbreaking knowing that a son I gave birth to is running mad in the market. What did we do to deserve this punishment? I mean, did we steal from anyone? No. Did we spill human blood?
It's okay.
How on earth did a boy I gave birth to, very sane and sound, suddenly become mad? And he is in the market, please.
You know, these are questions that no one can answer. We can't even question God. That's why I said, I don't want you to continue in this agony. I'm trying my best to make sure that everything is returned to normal, including Chinwe. Chinwe will be made whole. It's my effort. Of course, you know I'm trying. So don't cry like this, like someone who has no hope. There is hope.
There is hope.
I'm telling you, there is hope. If it is my money, I will spend the last dime. That's okay. I want to go inside and pull off. The day's journey is so stressful. Teach her how to eat properly. Tutor her. Make sure she's fed well. She's wasting and messing everywhere up. So let me go and take a rest. If you finish, you come inside. There's something I want to tell you.
You're nice.
Ah, Kalosi Angere. Wokemu. Why are you walking like this? Is everything all right? Why does it appear as if you're in pain?
I'm all careful.
Is there a problem?
Yeah. My wife and I, we had an accident. So sorry, we were on the farm.
How did it happen?
But it just happened. Farm work is a very risky job. But it's nothing really. Before I forget, how is it going with your wife? Ibidozikwa, the hunger strike?
Of course. I started. And I started very well. But on a second thought, I decided to discontinue.
Why?
Because it appeared to me as if the whole thing is childish. Why should a man not eat the food that is prepared in his house? I married Felicia, and her job is to take care of me and prepare the things I eat. Finally, I reduce myself to the man who will be smelling good food and is not eating it. It doesn't make sense. I decided to be eating. Listen, I have already decided that I will fashion out another way to punish her. Punishment in Kayabiaro. Because this hunger strike of Etenon, I didn't come to Kayabiaro. You know, it will make no sense.
Well, anyway, I don't know what you decided. It's okay.
I was expecting you to come around yesterday to give me moral support. Why didn't you come?
What do you know? You know, I told you that my wife and I, we went to the farm. You know, by the time we were done cultivating, Arua for us in working. So tired.
Can understand. But I hope your wife has given you something to eat this morning, and possibly she has massaged this hand.
Oh, look careful. Wife? The wife.
Why is all of this happening to me? Just when I thought I had a son and a daughter.
I searched for him everywhere around the market. And no one seems to know his whereabouts.
Calm down. He mustn't be totally out of the market. He must be somewhere in the market. Calm down.
My husband, I searched everywhere. I mean, everywhere. I even got to the village outskirts.
You went that far?
Yeah.
Hey! I think I have to gather the youths to help me in search of him again. Just calm down. I will do that. Let me make arrangement. Let me come, follow me. Let me run like that.
I'll be waiting.
Where are my wrappers? I will do something you will not like if you don't answer me this time.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Do whatever you like.
I'm not playing, no. I am serious.
I am serious too.
I will go inside your room now and collect all your clothes and burn them.
You will try no such thing, Felicia. Because you are who? I will go inside your room and collect all your clothes and burn them. Try it. Let me remind you that this place is my house. And I am the one who is the ruler here. Every single thing you are believing that you own, the so-called rappers you are talking about, I bought them for you. Or you possibly bought them with the money you made off my investments. And you are standing every time you will go to my room and burn anything. Please don't provoke me. Unless you want me to call my brothers and they will come and send you back to your father's house today. Oh,
you're just being mischievous. You see that Felicia you're looking for, you will not find her.
Am I not vindicated? The Felicia that I'm looking for, I cannot find her. So who is this one that is standing here shouting? The Felicia that I was supposed to be married to. That one, you have fired her long ago. And now you bundle something I don't know into my house as my wife. Who is this one? If the Felicia I'm looking for is not here, who is this one? Where is the Felicia? Where is the Felicia that I married?
Give me my wrappers.
Don't go near my room. If I na room, we so Felicia. Me sugo Felicia. Felicia, I'm looking for. Cannot find her. Why did you go with you? Why did you go with you?
Is my husband at home?
Yes, he is. Where are you going to?
Your house. I want to come and see him.
I hope all is well.
I don't know. I don't know if everything is well or not. I want to go and see him. The way my husband is treating me is so bad. I want to go and complain to him. Let him go and talk to my husband.
It's okay. I'm even on my way to the market, but let's go to the house. Then I'll do that later.
Because
it's well.
It's well. The whole thing is
okay.
Brother Jido, please, I want you to balance between the pains and love you have for your wife. Because I know that you truly love her. Yes.
Emeka, does it ever occur to you that you are my younger brother?
Of course, we are not disputing that.
We are not disputing that. And why will you always leave your house to come to teach me how I will run my own family? In Apala?
No. I'm not trying to teach you how to run your family. I'm only trying to solicit for peace to reign.
Solicit for which nonsense peace?
Because, of course, I know that a woman who loves her home is always seeking for peace, and that's what your wife has.
Listen to me. Felicia is not even getting... She's not getting anything near what she deserves as a wish. No, I'm not talking just about any witch. I'm talking about a witch who is highly connected to a coven that is very active. That woman is not going to know peace for putting me on this wheelchair.
I am not comfortable to attribute such words to your wife. She don't deserve that. Of course, I know that she truly loves this home, and that's why she's always trying to broker peace. Yes, of course, I know that.
You know, in this part of the world, we will always refer to our brothers' wives as our wife. In this your case now, it is becoming very clear to me that Felicia has become your wife for real. That's why you will always leave your house to come here to solicit on her behalf. What is going on? Now let me tell you something. Sit her down as your wife and tell her that the only way peace will reign in this family is for her to pack her things and leave me alone. Let her go back to her father's house. That is the only way peace can reign. You're not helping me. You keep calling yourself my brother. You're not helping me at all. I have my friends like Akalosia, who will always come here to be talking like human beings. Those are people that are helping me. You're not helping me at all.
Jidov, I want you to control your tempest. You're always on the high.
Hey, you are always on the low. Good. And that is why I want you to take her and remain low with her. Leave me alone. Please.
Hey! Under fire you.
Jesus Christ.
Good morning, sir.
The time I spoke to you about this now, whenever you want to say it, brothers, don't be a Jonah. Be sensitive for the Lord reveals to you.
But sir, Daddy, how do I go about it? I don't know how to start this thing.
He never gives us an assignment that is bigger than our capacity. What we have been able to teach you will strategic stones from the book. The same stone you defeated the lions. The first Samuel, the same stone you returned the one very deep in the spirit. Use your stone and never do that.
Thank you, Daddy.
Leave us quickly and speak.
Lord, help me. Don't help me.
Okay. Are you sleeping?
Hey. How did you go?
I met with the pastor. After much prayers. The fact is that I don't understand him. I didn't understand him very well. So he said I should go home, that liberation is coming soon. So I was even thinking he's going to maybe give me a prophecy on what happened, the cause of my children's madness. But from what he was saying, husband, I don't understand one bit of what he said.
Why didn't he follow you down to this place? Or was he demanding that we should come with Chinwe?
No, I was even expecting him to say, okay, madam, let's go to your house so that I'll pray in your house and pray for my daughter. But he didn't say anything like that. But he kept telling me that liberation is coming soon. I should go home and continue praying. That was all he said. So...
Hey.
Yes, the man of heaven. Oh, Femi. Good afternoon. No. What are you doing? Just trying to see if the pear is matured. No. Oh, that is a husband. It's fine.
Ah, no, welcome once again. Oh, no.
Thank you, Felicia. I am so confused. I don't know what to do. Did you know I went to see another pastor yesterday? After telling him my problem and he prayed for me, I was expecting him to follow me to the house and pray for my daughter, then find a way we can look for my son. The only thing he ended up telling me was I should go home and pray that liberation is close. Don't even know the kind of pastor he is.
Yours is better. My case is different. What I'm going through in the hands of my husband. There is nothing I do that pleases my husband. He finds fault in everything I do. I'm tired. I'm tired. I don't know what to do. I don't know who else to talk to.
Feli, I think I have an idea. Yes. Yes, my idea is you should move away from him. Yes, go to your father's house and stay for like a day or two. Let him stay alone in the house, do things by himself. Then by the time he tries it a day or two, he will look for you. I didn't say you should pack all your things and go. Just leave him alone for like a day or two. Yes.
Hey, Mama, I leave you for a day or two. How does he feel? Who takes care of him? Eh? Above all, what will people say?
Forget about what people will say. You're trying to put him in order. If you leave your house for like a day or two, he will now know your value. Then coming to how he will feed, make the food, bring to me, I'll feed. After all, he's my husband's brother. I can go and serve him food.
Ofiamaro, I've lived with this man almost all my life. I don't know how I am going to do this.
I think all these things is because he's seeing you every day. He's used to you. He knows you cannot move an inch. But if you let him know you can, he will comport himself. Men are like that. You should move away from him. Yes, go to your father's house and stay for like a day or two. Let him stay alone in the house, do things by himself. Then by the time he tries it a day or two, he will look for you. I didn't say you should pack all your things and go. Just leave him alone for like a day or two. Yes.
Hey, Mama, I leave you for a day or two. How does he feel? Who takes care of him? Eh? Above all, what will people say?
Forget about what people will say. You're trying to put him in order. If you leave your house for like a day or two, he will now know your value. Then coming to
this man has a lot of explanations to make.
I want to go to my father's house to stay for 2 or 3 days.
With this small bag. Why did you carry all your property? You are going to spend days and you are living with this small bag.
3 days.
What I have here is not what this man told me he would draw.
Felicia! Felicia! Where is this woman? Where will she go without serving my food? Huh? She said she'll be going back to her family house for some days. For some days. How am I going to cope? How?
should be the one that spoiled the step down. How will I even move down? What is going on?
The door is open. He's not around. I think he's inside.
Okay. Biko. Go and give him this food. I know he must be hungry now. Oh, Biko. Tell him you cooked it.
Just relax yourself. Everything will be fine. Okay. I'll convince him.
Okay. Go. He's hungry.
Nai. Good morning.
Beautiful and come to them.
And Nai.
How are you this morning?
Nai, we are fine. And you?
As you can see, I am fine.
It's well. Nai, I brought food for you.
Oh, that's very thoughtful of you.
Thank you.
As if you knew I actually needed something nice to eat today.
I know you must be hungry by now.
Give it a little. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So how is everything with you?
Nai, we thank God.
That's good, yeah. You're indeed looking very, very good.
Thank you. Nai, have you heard what happened to your friend Akalosia?
Nothing happened to Akalosia. Akalosia should be fine. Should be fine in his house.
He is not fine in Nai.
What happened?
His wife beat him up mercilessly this morning.
Are you sure you're talking about Akalosia, my friend?
Who does not know Akalosia?
So how is that possible? Akalosia is a strong man who is in charge of his family. How can you suddenly come here to tell me that his wife beat him up?
You think so? Nai, rumor has it that his wife sent him to the farm this morning. He came back and told the wife that he is back. The wife insisted he should go back to the farm. He started pleading with the wife to let him rest and that he needs to eat. That was all. She started beating him. Messed him up. In fact, if you see him, you will not recognize him. As I speak, he is in the hospital right now with bruises all over his body.
What are you talking about? Akalosia is in charge of his family. How can you suddenly tell me that his wife has been commanding him, sending him to the farm, and Akalosia has been pleading with him? It's not possible. It's not possible.
No, they said this is not the first time that she has been beating the husband, but today's own is a different one. If you see him,
how is this possible? Akalosia has been the man in charge who has control of his family and everything. His wife cannot speak where Akalosia is speaking.
That's what you think.
He doesn't have Akoliakwago.
Akoliagogo.
Yeah.
Nine. Apart from the fact that I brought food for you, there is another reason I am here.
Another reason? Which is?
Nai, you are my husband, and I believe we are family. That is the reason I want to ask you to please tell me why you are bitter with your wife, and also tell me why she left.
Kandarim, is she not supposed to be your friend? To the best of my knowledge, both of you have been relating unwell. You should go and ask her. It's women, ladies first and ladies word, according to what you people keep saying. You shouldn't be asking me. You should go and talk to her.
Nai, I ask you because you are my husband, and I am concerned about what is happening right now. Please don't misunderstand me.
Okay. I will tell you.
My parents want me to marry Chinedu because of so many reasons. Unlike Chike that stays in the city, he wants to take care of my father's illness.
I don't think I can survive this. I can't bear to lose you. I can't. Look, listen. I promised to do well in the job interview. The one with microfinance bank. I know I did well. I know I did well.
I understand. I really do understand. But you know, left for me, you know my choice. You already know. But what would you have me do? Disobey my parents? Put yourself in my shoes.
It's okay. Look, I know. I will be moved to obey my parents. But if you check, would that be what's best for me? Would that be what's best for you, Felicia? Come on, Felicia. You know the answer is no. You know.
I know.
Look at you. Take a good look at yourself. Look at you. You have not even taken good care of yourself, and you're here working so hard to deceive an innocent girl in accepting you.
Look, I can never be intimidated by someone like you. Is that clear? So, look, you do not deserve her. Get that into your head.
Fine. If I don't do you, I want to ask you a question. What do you have? Nothing. Why don't you help your poverty-stricken life before looking for a girl to deceive?
Now listen. Don't insult me. I won't take that from you. Don't try it.
Mr. Poverty, I will insult you over and over and you will do nothing. Look at you. Poverty have so muchly dealt with you that you're developing a pot belly full of pancanel. No, come. And I know your next word you will still be poor. Fool.
I've decided to follow my heart. I will marry you.
Moments like this are what makes life worthwhile. I'll cherish it forever.
I've decided to be with you no matter how long it takes.
I promise to love you forever. I will never, ever disappoint you. I promise. Felicia, not again. Happiness, you need to stop this. Huh? It's okay. Look, you will conceive at the right time.
The right time, you say?
Yes.
When is the right time, Jide? When is the right time? No, tell me, when is the right time? 3 years of marriage. 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 years, not 3 months. When is the right time?
Okay, listen. Come, it's okay. It's okay. Look, you're missing the point. I'm not bothered. Even if we are not destined to bear children, look, I am happy with you. I am fulfilled with you. You are my world.
This is not my plans for marriage at all. This is not my plans at all, Jide. I want to conceive my own children. I want to bear my own children. I want to bear my own children, Jide.
It's okay.
Is that too much to ask, God?
It's okay. It's okay.
God, when?
It's okay.
Look, when?
I know how you feel. Look, Felicia, I love you. And that's all that matters. I know it's not easy for you, but trust me, it won't always be like this. I promise. Okay. Come. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, thank you. I made this specially for you and him.
You're the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Stop saying that now. You know that's not true. Look, listen. You are my lucky charm. You are the best thing that has happened in my entire life. Now eat.
The feeling of carrying our own child is priceless. Thank you for standing by me.
I thank you for giving us a chance. Look, my happiness won't be complete if we hadn't been together. Thank you. Now eat.
Promise you'll be with me on the day of my delivery.
Is that a question? Of course I will be there. If I'm not there, who will be there? Okay, you know what? I cross my heart, I cross my head, and I cross my lungs. I will surely be there, okay? Now eat. And make sure you give him to eat too. I want him to be, you see the way I am now. I need to be robust.
Are you?
Felicia! 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 It's okay. Easy.
Small now.
Sorry.
Small. Don't hold me here. Hold me here. Okay. Dear now.
Okay. It's okay.
Wait, let me rest small.
Sorry.
You see what you have done?
Sorry.
Don't hold me there.
Okay. What should I do?
Hold me here.
Okay.
Only that place.
Okay, alright, let's go. Sorry. Easy. Let's go. Don't worry. I will call.
Let me rest small.
Okay. Can we go now?
Small.
Oh, yeah, okay. Let's go. You're doing well. Let's go. Let's go.
I took her to the hospital. And on my way, coming back from that hospital, I ran into this accident. that reduced me to this condition. And to make matters worse, it was a stupid.
Nai, we all know about all this. But I want to know if there is another reason you are still bitter with her and she left the house since yesterday.
You want to know?
My husband.
Felicia,
Yes.
who was that?
That. It was Chike, my husband. Can you imagine? He called. He said he's checking up on me. He heard that I just got married. I said, yes, so we are married now. He said that he still loves me. Very funny, Abby. He said he still loves me, oh, that if I agree to leave you, that he will still marry me like this. Oh. Of course, I said it's not possible. Can you imagine the funny things Chike is saying to me? Very funny.
And what was your reply?
Of course not now. I said no. I can't leave you now. Not that heartless. Not that heartless, my husband. In this condition, I cannot leave you. Above all, what will people say about me? On your way back from the hospital, you sustained this injury and I left. No now. Not what people should know that's not possible. It's not possible at all. I told him no. It's not possible. I can't leave you, not in this condition. If I leave you now, who will help you? Nobody. I'm here. You know I'm not leaving. I'm not going anywhere. I'm here with you. Okay? Don't worry about that. Let me just go and get your food, okay? Don't worry about him.
So you were actually with me because of pity, not even because of love. I will tell you that a living dog is better than a dead lion.
My husband, please, I don't want you to think I am taking sides with your wife, no. But because I am a woman, I am going to tell you how we women behave. She told you that because she loves you so much. And if there was anything going on between the two of them, she would not open up to you. Yes. And I believe she told you that again because she considered you her best friend. I am a woman. So I can comfortably, nothing is happening. She had nothing, she has nothing with Chike.
And come down, in as much as you are trying to convince me that you are not taking sides with her, that is exactly what you are doing. She never loved me. She stayed back with me because of pity. Not because she loved me. Her heart was with someone else. And even as I look at her now, I still know her heart is there. So I don't know why you're saying all this.
Nai. She stayed back because she loves you so much and not out of pity. And the chicken we are talking about is now married with kids. She loves you. I am telling you the truth. Please, don't hold it against her. She loves you. Nai, please, you need to have a rethink. Yes. I want to go now because I have other things doing at home. Think about it. Thank you.
I don't know if there is a way you can help me talk to my wife. I think I understand it now, and it's possible I misunderstood the whole thing. But I think I just pondered, and I think I understand it better from your explanation. So I don't know if you can help me ask her to come back. I believe from now going forward, we can comfortably live as a family without all these problems. Can you help me talk to her? And I believe we can live more like a family now. Can you do it?
I can do it. Yes, I will do that for you. In fact, this evening I'll go to her house, her father's house. I'll talk to her, and I believe she will come back home. Thank you very much. I told you it will work. After I gave him the food, I now told him what happened to his friend. Then after that, I now asked him to tell me the reason he's been behaving like that. So after I convinced him, in fact, we will not talk about it here now. But the most important thing is that he said I should go and beg you and bring you back home, that he's promised to be a good man, a good husband.
Beg me? My husband?
Bring your voice down.
My husband? Beg me?
He's humble. Let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Oh, he was hungry.
I'm very hungry. I don't want him to know that you are here. Let's go,
Oh, Felicia. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for answering to what I said. I appreciate you. It dawned on me that I went too far. And I am pleading with you from the deepest part of my heart to find a way to forgive me for all the things I did wrong, for all the abusive words and languages I used on you. I take them back. It has become clear to me that I cannot do without you. These few days you left me alone has taught me a lot. Please, my beautiful wife, my wife who means the world to me, forgive me. Let us move on like a family, in love. Please. I promise you from now going forward, it is going to be happiness all through for us. Let's go, mother.
Let me do small. 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 Let me do small.
I rebuke that spirit speaking through you now in Jesus' name.
Let me do small. Do small.
Obi,
Do small. Do small.
I say to you that affliction will not rise the second time. I cast that spirit of madness out of you in the name of Jesus. I say to you this day that affliction will not rise the second time. That even the lawful captive today must be set free. You spirit, I cast it out of you now in the name of Jesus. I set you free. Light and darkness has nothing in common. I set you free in the name of Jesus. Out of that body. Out of that body. Out of that body. In the name of Jesus. You are set free. For whoever God has set free is free indeed. In the name of Jesus, you're set free. Lord, I thank you.
Onyeka.
Lord, I thank you. Lord,
Onyeka.
you're worthy. Lord, you're worthy.
What am I doing here?
Maybe you're set free. You're set free. The devil is a liar. You're set free. Bragado shatalagada.
Nkem, please, I came to beg you. I'm tired of fighting. And I'm tired of quarreling with you. Please, if there is any way I've insulted you in the past, try to forgive me. My heart is broken, no. My heart is broken because of my missing son. So please, I want us to unite. We need to unite. You know, they said let love lead. Biko, forgive me. Then, have you forgiven me first? There is little money I saved. I saved some money. I want to give it to you so you can go to the city first thing tomorrow morning and look for my son for me. If my son did not come back, I will die. I will die. What am I living for? My only eye. My only hope. Biko, you know you are a man. Help me. Help me. Let me give you the money to help me. I go and look for my son. Hey.
It's okay. It's okay. How much is the money?
It's about 10,000 to 11,500. If I put all of them together, it's about 11,500.
So you have this kind of money since. You know what? Wait here. I'm going to the city now. I'll go this evening.
Hey.
How do you go to Moke since?
Nkem.
City,
Nkem, you will go. City. And bring back my son.
Hey! Go and search for him.
Nkem. Nyemia. Hey! Nkem. Let me bring the money. Oh, hey! Nkem. Is that my son?
Mama.
No.
Mama, it's me.
No.
Mama, it's me.
Hey! Hey! My son. Welcome. Welcome, my son. Hey! Oh, Nyaraka again. Welcome.
Onyeka. You are alive.
Hey!
Or are my eyes deceiving me?
How can I deceive? Oh, let me see.
My son, I am alive.
Hey!
Papa, Mama, Onyeka is who I was. Now I am Timothy. For I have found a new identity in Christ. Hallelujah.
Is this not Obi? Mazi Emeka's son.
You get... Papa, that was who he was. Not anymore.
Hey, you are touching him.
Mama is okay now. I'm very much okay. Very sound. Adam sound now.
He's not mad anymore. Exactly. The resurrection power of Christ Jesus has been predestined to rewrite our story. We were both headed for destruction for something we did in the past. That was the cause of my disappearance to the city.
Chineke, what was that?
It's not what you think.
It's not what I think.
Seriously, it's not what you think. I'm sorry.
So, what now happened now?
Huh?
It's not what I'm thinking.
And here is swallowed.
See, please, I'm sorry.
See your nipples are standing, Obi.
See, I'm sorry. See, to be frank with you, it was just small. Just small, I didn't do plenty, just small. Please don't.
And she ran like that. And she ran this way. She ran 440,
Obi. Bring down your voice now, please. Don't.
Oh, Obi!
I don't want the village to mock me, please.
Oh, you don't want the village to mock you? I hope you know the repercussion of what you just did or what you were attempting to do. Obi?
See, Makachuku, it was just small. Not like I did plenty. Just the cap, just small thing entered, and then she just ran.
Are you sure you didn't do anything? He said just small, and she ran that way. Ah, my brother. Obi!
See, my eyes cannot see such abomination, and my mouth will keep quiet. I will tell the Igwe.
Onyeka, please now. You're my guy now. You're my guy. See, Makachuku, anything you want, I will do it. Don't tell anybody.
You're a snakehead. Someone's child, Obi.
It's just small.
Why is she running like that? Why is she running so fast?
Why is she running now?
I didn't finish it. I just put something.
And she ran like that. Obi.
Emma, here the heavy.
You must have been brutal.
Emma, here the heavy. Sorry.
And you people are standing, Obi. Obi, my brother, Obi. Ah.
It's okay now. It's okay. I'm sorry. Please, just keep it to yourself. Pick on.
See, I am beginning to feel that thing you did in that building is beginning to affect me. I am seeing strange things every day. This thing is not funny again.
My own is even worse too. The way it is now, I can barely sleep at night. Nightmares are just one blink of an eye away from me.
See, I think you should apologize to this girl in question before things get worse.
The truth of the matter is I don't even know her. Yes, now I don't know her. Yes, now we only met that place you saw us when I went to pick firewood. We just did the thing sharp.
Hi. And have you asked around to know if anybody knows her in the village?
Nobody seems to. To God, nobody seems to know her. But don't worry, just don't panic, eh? Just trust me, Obinna. I will definitely look for her. Relax, I will look for her.
It's good though, you look for her for your own good. Because see, if you don't look for a way out, I will just speak out. I have to exonerate myself.
Onyeka, no, why? Be calming down. Which one is you speak out? You're talking as if you don't know the consequences of rape in this village.
Maybe you should have thought about that before you did it.
What is even paining me? It's even small I did. I didn't even do complete. I just did small.
It's what you did. Eh?
It was small I did now. I did small, she just ran out. Nah.
Because that small one that you did, look at where it has placed us now.
It's always good when you're doing something, you just do complete. So if anything is happening, you just face anything that is happening. Just small thing, just put something. She ran out. Eh? She ran out because of the way I dragged that pint. I don't get.
Hey! Isigini, how do you mean?
The boy was behaving stark, raving mad in his compound.
Hey!
Telling you.
What happened to him?
No, nobody knows. According to Mazi Emeka, the boy started behaving abnormally this evening. Amarom, I don't know.
Hey! Allah. Madness. Eh? What is this world turning into? Madness. Hey! Just like that.
Mama, I left this village in fear. I couldn't tell anyone of my involvement in the events that led to his madness. So I ran to the city, and by divine providence, I came in touch with my spiritual father. Yes, he drew me close to God. And that day, I swore never to step my feet in this village again. But by divine revelation, he told me that the young girl that Obi raped was not a human being. Yes, it was Akapo, in disguise of a girl.
Hey!
Age. Mama was small. It was small. I didn't even enter inside.
Will you shut up? At your age, it's a wegepe. Hey!
It was just the cap, not like.
Kawagon de ubuwogide. I say, segide so nyara.
That was
spirit. Hey! I hope you did not.
No, Mama.
Hey! Thank God. Look, you have to take him home. I heard the people have been looking for him all over the place. Yes! And I thank God for this day. I thank God you are alive, my son. Nine, no more city. No more city. Intention, no. Gaba, take him home.
Timothy.
Timo. Yes. Hope the bag is your bag.
Yes.
Hey! The bag is even empty. You didn't buy bread for your mother, but you are alive. That's the most important thing. I can afford bread. Oh yeah.
Mama is okay.
Okay. Jukwa ya jide maka. Maka ita na ara na bia bia.
Mama, apuzie.
Hey!
Apuzie aya to to dey.
It's okay. Huh? Kere the ara puchabe. Hey, my son, look at my son. Look at his dressing. He said, man of God, Timothy. Papa Timothy.
Yes.
Hey!
Before they came in, I was getting ready to go to the city.
No more city again, no. Yes. No more city.
That money, what you say you have, see what I'm suggesting. Go take some chicken, yams and cook some very serious meal. Our son is back. Think about it. And after then, when we take water, piano lagano and everything. You promised to. And this boy, Nata,
the chicken and everything you said. I should do it with my money.
Calm down.
Then after which,
Calm down. I will give you.
You will still do Olaga.
But naturally, no. Apia go from your money. Apia Olaga. Then the money will come later.
Now indirectly, Ibuka Ujamu Ejego.
Mama.
Bobby.
Eh? Mama is me now. Mama, I'm okay now. Look at your hairnet. I'm fine.
Onyekachi.
Mama, Onyekachi is in the past. My name is Timothy now.
Timothy?
Yes, Mama. Yes. He's stable.
Yes, I'm fine now.
God has healed him.
Obinna. Oyirinne.
Mama, that is
Obinna.
okay.
How?
I'm okay.
Chimo.
I'm okay.
Lord, I worship you. Thank you for what you're doing here.
Yes, sir.
Jesus.
Okay.
Mama, I'm fine now. I'm
Mama,
okay.
where is Chinwendu?
She's inside.
Mama, where is Papa?
Did you say where is Papa?
Yes.
Your father went to arrange the village youth to come in search of you.
But liberation has come to this house. Let's see Chinwendu. Yes, Mama, let's see Chinwendu. God is about to do something.
Hi, Chin.
You are God from beginning to the end. There's no place for argument. You are God all by yourself. You are God from beginning to the end. There's no place.
Hey! Oh, yeah! Hey! Okay, Chukwu America. Hurry! If you see my children, they are well now. Hey! Everything is normal. Everything is fine. Wonderful. Thank you. Where are they? Let's go to the house. Hey! Let's go to the house. You mean it? I mean it. Hey! Hey!
Thank you.